Hi everybody, and welcome to this video tutorial aiming at presenting some of the services offered by the OPENLang network platform. If you are looking at the current video, you already know how to access the OPENLang network platform. Good for you. Even more, you should already know me as I appeared in the introductory video. If not, let me introduce myself. I'm Antonio Giordano. I work for Pixel, which is a contractual partner within the OPENLang Network European project. Here with me, I have a colleague of mine, Alessia, who is totally unaware of the platform and its services and will act as a user interested in the platform itself.
Hi everybody, I'm pleased to support you.
The present video tutorial aims at showing one of the services offered by the OPENLang network platform, the recommended language OERs and suggest and share language OER sections.
Antonio, sorry to interrupt you, but what do you mean by OER?
OER is an acronym which stands for Open Educational Resources. OERs are teaching and learning materials, resources, tools offered freely and openly for anyone. As consequence, language OERs are free and open materials, resources, tools which can support you in teaching and learning a language, in particular a foreign language. The OPENLang network platform has two specific sessions addressed to the language OERs. Let's see the first. First of all, let's enter the platform and I will be using my personal account. From the home page, you can click on recommended language OERs. Here, you can find language learning resources recommended by us, by the OPENLang network project. You can directly type here the name of the open educational resource you are looking for. Otherwise, you can filter your search results by selecting the resource type, the resource language or the target language, the language proficiency level, the type of the license of the OER, the duration or the skills to be acquired.
Nice! For example, I'm English and I want to look for a language learning resource for beginners in Spanish.
Oh, that's quite easy because you can just set your own filters. For example, let's start from the resource language. So you are English and target language will be Spanish. So let's go to Spanish. And then you said you are beginners. So
Yes.
let's start with, choose introductory. And then once you set your own filters, then you can find some language OERs. And for example, beginners Spanish food and drink, you can start discovering a bit more about Spanish food and drink, taking advantage from these OER, which is directly in Spanish, and you can start practices your language.
Bueno, estoy encantada.
So you are more than a beginner. So you already have some knowledge in Spanish, but before you start developing your Spanish skills, let's see the last possibility offered by the platform related to the OER. So let's go to the home page. And then again, we have to choose between courses and activities. And let's go to suggest and share OERs. Here, you will find a step-by-step guide produced by the OPENLang network partners that aims at equipping language learning teachers and trainers with the skills they need in order to discover, evaluate, use, reuse, create, and share OERs. Secondly, you can share a language OER by filling in a simple Google form. You can share a language teaching scenario and find, for example, a language OER which was shared by other members of the OPENLang network community.
I have to admit there are a lot of possibilities for both teachers and learners. Now, I'm sorry, but I have still a pending OER to develop my Spanish skills.
I will leave you free, I promise. For those looking at this video tutorial, enjoy the OPENLang network platform. Bye!
Bye!